He was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was the top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he could not jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next year the cap went out and drafted the band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. A root, a toot, a tootly out a toot. He blows an eight to the bar. In boogie rhythm, he can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing with him. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. He was some boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. When he played boogie woogie bugle, he was busy as a busy bee. When he played, he made the company jump eight to the bar. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. Da 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 tootly out doot doot. He blows eight to the bar. Can't blow a note for bass and guitars with him. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. The boys will sleep with boogie every night and wakes them up the same way in the early bright. They clap their hands and stamp their feet, 'cause they know how he goes when someone gets the beat. Whoa, whoa, he wakes it up when he plays reveille. The boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. A doot, a doot, a doot, doot, he blows it eight to the bar. Can't blow a note for bass and guitars and whoa with him. And the company jumps and he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B.
Yeah, man, you got power in this bad boy, man?
I have no idea. Genoa G62.
Genoa G62.
Tony Clark.
Big balls. How's she flying there, Matt?
She's alright. I mean, hanging in there. I may not be hanging in, but she's flying okay.
You got little shakes?
A lot of shakes.
That's fantastic. I love the shakes.
You like the shakes, huh? Oh, this is Maiden flight.
Yeah, we got a nice bounce on the thumb for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a nice bounce.
Nice bounce on the thumbs. All right, hold on. We may be having a bounce on the plane in a minute.
You could drop gear if you have to. Okay. Stay with it. Yeah. Okay. It's your call, man. Maybe do half flaps.
I was uneventful.
Did you do it on half or full?